There's been a lot of change in Australia over the last 10 years. We've gone from a country that's relied very heavily on the export of our recyclable packaging to now having the capability and infrastructure to deal with the post-consumer plastic that we generate and in turn really contribute to the circular economy within Australia.
Have you ever wondered why we recycle plastic bottles? Well, plastic bottles are made out of a natural resource, oil. And we want to conserve our natural resources. So now we make plastic bottles out of plastic bottles.
PET plastic is very commonly used in beverage bottles, meat trays, bakery products, fruit and veg punnets.
The containers that you take to the refund centers come to us. We sort them out into the different streams, different commodities, HTP, PET, clear. Then we send them to the recyclers.
We start with a mechanical sorting process where bales of PET are broken down into their individual components and undergo ferrous metal and eddy current metal detectors to remove any metal ingress or aluminium cans. The individual components are then fed through a sizing trommel. The trommel is in place to remove any small or oversized containers, things such as glass and so forth. They will then enter the optical sorters. This sorting process has inbuilt AI, and it sorts the components based on their shape, color, and plastic type. So the containers are put through an underwater grinding process where they are ground down into a flake form. We then use a caustic wash solution to remove any residual liquids or solid contaminants prior to the flake then entering our float sink tanks. PET will naturally sink given its higher density, whereas cap components and label components will float. The final step of this process is again to get greater purity of flake. So it is an optical sorting process by which we are removing color and any small fragments of different polymer types. A high quality PET flake is absolutely essential for the final process of decontamination to then be used back into bottles and containers.
These are then injection molded into a mold, which makes a preform. So that's the shape of a bottle before it becomes a bottle, if you like. It's the pre-bottle. The preform then gets blow molded to make a new bottle.